So the grout plant in our house, in our home garden, has become invasive. So you can see that it has covered almost all the three beds. So it's also my mistake. I have left it neglected. I have neglected it. Now I need to fix it. So I will now fix it and then make another video. Here is the update after the renovation or fixing that we did in our garden. So the grout, all of them are now hanging on this new studs that I have installed. So all three beds, yeah, they are not the best, but they are looking much better than before. You can see. So and also now we are having our grouts ready. I mean, they are not yet ready, but they are growing. We had lots of flowers as well, and it looks much cleaner, more spacious, and more organized than before. We also have cucumbers. Today we harvested some of them, so you can see lots of flowers on them. A good growth for them as well. Marigolds are growing huge. We have removed some of them as well. Here are a few more cucumber plants that we have. We have slicing cucumber, and then straight 8 cucumber, some cherry tomatoes over here. Here's one more grout that we have hanging on our maple leaf tree. So on the maple leaf tree we have one of the grout that we shifted from ground, and we have set it on the maple leaf tree. It looks good. I will show update about this one later.